are set to receive the world. We are opening our arms wide to have people come into Anambra State and explore the possibilities and the promises of this great state. The runway is evidently ready, and if all things go as planned, His Excellency has assured that the first aircraft that will land on this very runway will happen on the 30th of this month. So 30th is the day that has been singled out for the historic flight into Anambra International Airport. Watch out for this airport, and if you happen to be around Anambra State on that day, watch out for what history will be made on the 30th of this month. Thank you very much.